Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. This delicious Mexican rice is one of the most colorful, flavor-packed and satisfying rice dishes loved across the world. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Mexican rice. This delicious global favorite combines fluffy basmati rice with a rich tomato base, garlic, oregano, chili flakes, butter, sweet corn and vibrant bell peppers to create a dish that is mildly spicy, slightly tangy, comforting and totally packed with flavor. What makes this recipe special is its beautiful balance of textures. Soft rice with slightly crunchy vegetables, making it incredibly enjoyable with every bite. So let's get cooking and prepare this global favorite, delicious Mexican rice. Step 1. Preparing the rice. Take 1 cup of long grain basmati rice. Wash the rice 3 to 4 times or until the water is almost clear. Soak the rice in water for around 30 minutes. Place a pan with water on medium heat and let it boil. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Once the water is boiling hot, drain out the water from the soaked rice and add it in the boiled water. Cook for around 6 to 8 minutes or until it is 80 to 90% cooked. Once done, strain out the water from the rice. Gently spread the cooked rice in the strainer for it to cool down faster. This will prevent the rice from cooking further and helps the rice grains to remain separate from each other. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. We have taken 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Cut them into smaller pieces. Add the tomato pieces in a mixer grinder. Do not add any water. Grind into a smooth puree. Tomato puree is ready. Take a green, yellow and red capsicum or bell pepper. Cut half of the green, yellow and red capsicum into small pieces as we will use only half part of the capsicums. Instead of colored capsicums, you can also use only green capsicums. 1/3 cup of sweet corn. 1 medium-sized onion. Cut it fine. 6 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut them very fine. 1/3 cup of finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves for garnishing. 4 tablespoons or 1/4 cup of tomato ketchup. 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. 3/4 teaspoon of jeera powder. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. 3/4 teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder. 3/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes. 3/4 teaspoon of oregano. 1 stock cube or 1 teaspoon of aromatic seasoning powder. 1 teaspoon of lime juice. Half teaspoon of salt. Step 3. Preparing the Mexican rice. On medium heat, place a wide open thick bottom pan and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can also use your regular cooking oil. Also add 2 tablespoons of butter. Oil will prevent the butter from burning. Once the oil is hot, add the finely cut onion. Stir fry it for a minute. After a minute, add the garlic pieces. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Once the onion turns translucent, add the red chili flakes. Also add the oregano. Add the Kashmiri red chili powder. Stir everything nicely. Add the tomato puree. Cook it for around 2 minutes. Stir everything properly. After around 2 minutes, add the coriander or dhania powder. Also add the cumin or jeera powder. Add the black pepper powder. Add the stock cube or aromatic seasoning powder. Add half teaspoon of salt. If needed, you can add a little oil if anything is sticking to the pan. After a minute, add the sweet corn and stir. Cook it for a minute. After a minute, add the red, yellow and green capsicum or bell peppers. Cook them for 2 minutes. The vegetables should remain slightly crunchy for a good texture. After a minute, add the lime juice. Stir everything properly. Add the tomato ketchup. Stir everything nicely. Cook them for a minute. After a minute, add some finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves. Mix everything properly. Once done, add the cooked rice. Cook it for around 2 to 3 minutes on medium-low heat so that the rice absorbs all the delicious flavors. Mix it gently to prevent the rice from breaking.
Subscribe to Get Cooking Global for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Press the bell icon so that you're instantly notified when we upload a new recipe.
Check for taste and add whatever is required. Garnish with the remaining finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves. Mix everything gently. Delicious Mexican rice is ready. Serve the Mexican rice hot on its own or with salsa, tacos or grilled chicken. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Share this video with your friends and family and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.